I'm going again here this, welcome back to the channel. So today, as promised, you see, I'm showing you how you can do the butter bread. This is the first time butter bread, right? So I'm showing you how you can do again with butter bread. So the butter bread, sardine, and coconut milk. So what do a sardine rundown with butter bread. Yeah man. And the reason why I use this, the coconut milk, because I want it well creamy. Yes, I can use the original coconut and get well creamy, but I like to use this because this easy for work with. It well creamy and nice. Yeah man, so this is what I use today and thing. So first thing I do, I'll get the fire light up. Get the fire light up, you know. So get look at cooking oil. Can't paper towel tissue or anything. Quick and easy to get the coal fire start out. Quick and easy. Meanwhile, fire go and catch. I'll get this up and then prep. So we have tomato, onion, purple onion and a white onion, garlic, thyme, scallion, what we have peeps, sweet pepper, you know, so we have celery, we have onion powder, Maggi, all purpose, some chili powder, and this now cloves and pimento or allspice grind together. Yeah, and we have some oregano right here, so yeah, I'm coming with it with the camera. So we have some French thyme. I don't know. Yeah man, so that is it. No, I'm not use one like I'm use two of them. Scallion first. Chinese thyme, French thyme, it have a lot of name. Cuban oregano also. Then call it. Everybody have their own name for it. Then all of the seasoning I use. I don't tell you we have the sweet pepper. So get on the pot on the fire, you know. So when the pot hot, we check in back. I in the pot peeps. Yeah man. Alright, so we're adding with seasoning now. I know what that's still. I don't want some more still. You know that. But you don't go in there, do not take it out back. So please come in. In the meantime, that I go and deal, I'll get the coconut milk and start out, you know. That's me alone, you know. And someone maybe I say, boy. Someone maybe I say, Sardine can run down. Yes, man, Sardine can make run down. The sardine are going last. After the coconut milk don't go down and all that, they will throw in the sardine. So it's like say you want to make a sauce with the coconut milk and we throw in sardine. So when sardine go in, everything done curly. All sardine I do, hot up. That's all sardine I do, hot. So we throw in the coconut milk, they will season it, you know? Yeah man, so the cold now moves so good. So I'm going to do, take a piece and put it on the pot a little closer. Don't directly on the coal. That way because the coal now moves so good, you know? Yeah man, the kind of move stubborn away. So we'll add in the parsley, as I say. In the little pimento with the cloves mixed together. That's a bit. Add in a little onion powder. The chili powder, because I don't know. I want garlic pepper. Little Maggi season. And little oregano, you know. Go on the pot full of flavor and flavor. Come back with it now. Give that a stir. And make that go and do it thing. So please soon come again. You want peas to boil up, something go and boil up and go and do it thing, you know. Let me say, you know ready for the sardine, you know. When it boil right done, ready for the sardine, something go and do it thing. And it seems like the coal I get active now, you know. Yeah man. So I'm putting it back on the grill. Because I'm too like when I pack go down anything. Take off the cover guys because thing you know, but I go down nicely though, look on it. Alright, peace, so I go on there. Ready for sardine, you know. Ready for sardine, long time. So I just want for 5 minutes. Make the sardine hot up and the sardine flavour. Yeah man, it's good. Not good, I'm not putting the more seasoning, they're good. and too salt either. Just right. Just right. So stay tuned please. I'm say give it a like. Comment and tell me if you never had sardine before. Yeah man. So I'm say I'm showing you ways or some dish when you can prepare out of the butter bread. Because some people don't like it in the car, they must say boy a foolishness because you don't have any butter and all that. So you can do enough things. Just get creative and do a thing. I'm gonna get this off now because this now want more. Because I don't want to burn. Yeah man, so stay tuned peeps. Yeah. Get the butter bread cut. Because sandwich I prepare the peeps. Yeah man. Sandwich I prepare out of it. Sardine. Look like gravy. Alright. So I lather on the gravy on the bread. So I sardine. Bust him in half. Coming closer. That's what I want. So all that niceness. Yeah man. Time on for dig in. It's soft. Nice. Guys. Nice. So like a sweet taste where bread have. Just compliment everything good. Yeah man. This one nice little breakfast or lunch. Remember guys, like the video, comment and tell me what you think about the idea. The sardine down with butter bread. Yeah man. So stay tuned. Catch you now in our next video. So look out for the next video.